Hello and welcome to today's grammar topic, which really consists of two very small words but so easily confused and so badly used. It's versus it is. But the subtitle of today's video, perhaps possession or ownership versus contraction. Let's look at these two grammar dragons together and see if we can understand them. Always, without any exception, and in all cases, in every single instance, without any changes, ITS, it's without an apostrophe, means possession. It refers to ownership. For example, the dog chased its tail. In the last quarter, the company increased its profits. We saw the sunset together and marveled in its glorious colors. Its means possession and only possession. It means belonging and only that. This is a grammar dragon moment. ITS without any apostrophe means possession or ownership. I love the song and how its rhythms calms me down when I feel stressed. Sorry, I made a grammar mistake there. Let's go again. I love the song and how its rhythm calms me down when I feel stressed. ITS, its means ownership. Of course, we are dealing with English grammar. So, when we have a noun and want to show possession, then we must use the apostrophe. We were looking at the car's possession, but we use apostrophe because car is a noun. My mother's food. Mother, the word mother is a noun. Don't call your mother a noun. She will be upset. My mother's food is delicious. My hometown's climate is very mild. The country's people are happy. Noun plus possession equals use apostrophe. It plus possession, it's without apostrophe. Got that? Yeah, I was confused in the beginning too. But it's actually quite simple. Really. It is and it has become IT apostrophe S because IT apostrophe S is a contraction of two words. It with an apostrophe means it is or it has, never means possession. It is a beautiful day or it's a beautiful day. It has been a busy year or it's been a busy year. It is no wonder you failed or it's no wonder you failed because you never studied. High-level grammar moment. If you can replace the word with it is or it has, then use IT apostrophe S. If you are indicating possession, use ITS without an apostrophe. Simple. One of the few really simple grammar rules in English. Possession, it's with no apostrophe. It is or it has, it's with apostrophe. Contraction. Possessive pronouns, by the way, reminding you, show ownership. It can help you remember it's showing ownership. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. It's also no apostrophe when we are using the possessive form of pronouns. Simple rule to use also regarding its. The cat is looking at its owner with a puzzled look on its face. In both cases belonging. It has been a long time since it has had breakfast. Both contractions, so both use apostrophe. That's it for today. Please remember to subscribe and see you again real soon. Thank you and bye-bye.